Justice Brett Kavanaugh taking his seat for the first time on the bench of the nation's highest court. Inside that courtroom, you wouldn't know a contentious confirmation battle had just taken place. The justices cracked jokes and rocked in their chairs throughout the argument. The scene seemed far removed from what took place outside the court just this weekend. Kavanaugh took his seat in the far-right chair next to Justice Elena Kagan. The justices sit on alternate sides in order of seniority. Kavanaugh's wife and daughters and his predecessor, Justice Anthony Kennedy, were seated in the family's box. His parents were sitting in the front row of the public section. They were there to see Chief Justice John Roberts welcome him to the bench and wish him well on his career. Arguments quickly got underway in two criminal justice cases, both dealing with violent felonies. The first case deals with robbery and whether it can only be categorized as a violent felony if there was victim resistance. The second case revolved around sentencing for burglary. He did not engage in a back-and-forth debate with the lawyers at first, a common occurrence with nearly every justice. But it was abundantly clear Kavanaugh was much more confident in the second case. He withheld questions for the Department of Justice, but grilled the lawyers representing two convicted felons, interjecting and engaging in at least 3 back-and-forth debates with lawyers. Justices have their own styles when it comes to questioning. Many grill on both sides, others question the side they'll support to bolster their argument. Some justices try to poke holes in one side. Justice Clarence Thomas, however, stands on his own. He rarely asks questions at all. This time, Justice Kavanaugh only got 2 full days of prep. With 8 more cases left this month alone, and as he gets more comfortable, we can expect Justice Kavanaugh will be an even more vocal member of the court.